on. Come here. Dude, you can't just walk away.
Here it goes.
Missed it.
Look at that. Riding the wave on his board.
Look how pretty that is.
It is gorgeous. It's miraculous. Here it comes. Get it. Get it. Go, boy.
He's just trying to stay up.
Go, boy.
Oh! Backflip.
What do you call that? Like
Falling?
Oh, falling? Ah, nice. Makes sense. Interesting. Are you taking pictures?
And video.
Interesting. My commentary in the background.
Uh-huh.
They should totally just take that. What? Don't get him. No, don't be
They kind of look like sea lions, don't they?
It's true, they do. On boards.
Nice!
Woo!
Go, guy!
They both did it with one.
Go, guy.
Yeah.
Go, boy.
Where do I go?
Look, that guy's still going. He's
Say
going
hi.
all the way. Wow, he is still going.
Say hi.
Hi. She be getting that guy. Look, he's still going.
Oh, he's
Oh
down.
my God, he made it all.
Wow, that's impressive.
How
Go for it, go for it, go. Oh, that was pretty good.
Watch out for the guy.
Oh, he fell.
These guys are
Right here. Oh, I can't put that.
Get it. Oh! That would have been good.
Look, he could have rode it all the way down. So once it gets to the white part of the wave, they can't really ride that. It's just right in the beginning.
Do it, get it. Oh.
He's just a little too far back, though.
What was that?
He's a little too far back.
Like
Hi.
another Laffy Taffy.
Shake that Laffy Taffy.
Would you like
Shake
another
your lovely
saltwater
Laffy
Laffy Taffy?
I know,
Sure.
you for just a minute for everybody.
Yeah, I think they have another.